Hi friends, in this video we will going to know latest sliding wardrobe design ideas and what will price for making this kind of sliding wardrobes. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So let's begin the video. Sliding wardrobe designs are becoming increasingly popular due to their functionality and authentic appeal. And sliding wardrobes do not require extra space to open like traditional indoors, making them perfect for rooms where the space is limited or tight. This allows for better utilization for the available space. And the minimalistic design of sliding wardrobes can add a contemporary touch to the any room. They are available in various materials and finishes, allowing for customization to match the room's decor. In India, sliding wardrobes comes in various designs and materials, each offering different features and price ranges. And some common types of sliding wardrobe designs along with estimate price ranges. The first one is the wooden sliding wardrobes. These are made of solid wood or engineered wood like MDF or plywood. They often have the natural wood finishes or laminate and can include panels or glass inserts for sleek look. The price ranges the 20,000 to 1 lakh or plus. The price varies based on the wood type, design, and complexity and customization level. A basic design may be cost around 20,000 to 40,000, while high-end design can cost up to 1 lakh. And another one is the mirror sliding wardrobes. These wardrobe features mirror panels on the doors, which help to the creating sense of space and added stylish touch to your room. The price is at 30,000 to 80,000. The cost depend on the factors like mirror quality, frame materials, metal or wood, and added features such as storage and compartments. And another one is the modular sliding wardrobes. Modular wardrobes are customizable to suit your needs. They can include mixed materials, wood, glass, and mirror, and comes with pre-designed